Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you some F2L tips and tricks in order to solve slots as well as do some cases in different angles, so let's get into it. So starting off with the first case where you have this and it's joined together incorrectly, and you should do it like this where you just insert the corner with the edge on top, take it out and then insert, and that's good for this angle. However, just say if you had the exact same case, however you were facing this way and this pen needs to go into the back, what you can do is do this algorithm, which goes like this. And there you go. So a little bit faster. However, just say if you had that case, but instead of it being over here into the back, you have it actually over here. So what you can do is do anti-soon, which goes like this. And you see that sets up in order to insert it into the back, and a little bit faster. And that is just good for all the other angles, for when you have that really bad case and you can insert into the back. And make sure you can do it lefty as well, just in case it's over here. But anyway, that's for the first tip for that case. So for the next case, when you have this very joint up bad case, now it's very bad when you're facing the front. What most people do is they rotate and set it up and then solve it. However, that requires another rotation, so that's two just for one F2L case. Now what you should do is do this algorithm, which you go F prime, and that basically sets up to this really good case, do a U2 and then insert that massive block back. But what I like to prefer is to do this, is to do a U to put it over here, then do a sledgehammer, and you notice how that sets up in order to insert. So all together would look like this. Very quick and efficient. Okay, for the next tip, for this one, where you have the pair that's not actually correct, but it's in this slot and it's its own slot, and these two colours match, what you can do is face it and do this algorithm. And you notice it solves it a little bit quicker. And yeah, that's a very good algorithm. However, just say if you had the exact same case, however it's over here, so these two colours match, what you can do is do the inverse of that, which goes like this. And then that sets it up. So all together it looks like this. And them two algorithms are really quick and efficient, especially for solving that last slot, instead of taking it out and just doing another bad case. So whenever you have this case, where you've got the corner and the edge piece and these two colours match, and this case can be very bad because of what most people do is rotate and do it normally to pair it up and then insert. But however, you could do this where you can do a wide operand down, then we could do U2, R2, then restore everything, like so. So all together could look like this. Very quick and efficient, and it requires no rotations. Okay, for the next one where we have this pair, but it's not really a pair because the edge is flipped, and this one needs to go into the back slot. And if you try, most people would rotate and then do the algorithm. However, what you can do from this state is put it at the back and do RU2 and then insert with an R2 and then restore this pair, like so. So all together, very quick and efficient, and requires no rotations. And for the last trick and tip is where you have a pair, needs to be inserted to the back slot. Most people would rotate and do it from there. However, you could just do wide F, R, and then wide F prime. And there you go. Or you could do another thing, which is basically putting over here and doing R2, F, R, F, R. And there we go. So I'm going to do both of those L's all together. Quick. This one. And then the other one. And there you go. There are all the quick and efficient tips I have to offer. And yeah. So there are all the tips. Make sure you use them. And they can be quite helpful at sometimes. Especially when you're in a case where you don't want to do too many rotations, because that requires a regrip. And for now, see ya.